Get on the boat. Hurry up, bird. Hurry up, bird. Woodpecker. The squirrel's right there looking. That squirrel ran him off. Ran her off. There she is. She's right behind the bird now. Oh, there comes the other bird. There's a female red cardinal there. Oh, that's a female cardinal right there. That was a red female cardinal. Squirrel's right there. There's the squirrel. There's the bird. There's the woodpecker now. That's the woodpecker right there. Female woodpecker. Hurry up, woodpecker. Hurry up. Squirrel keeps scaring the bird. The bird ought to go on and get something to fly off. Now the squirrel's gonna sit down. I have to run the squirrel off. All right, get you something. Get you something to eat. Get you something to eat down there now. Don't just sit down there and run this bird off. Come on, woodpecker, get back down there. Come on, hurry up, woodpecker. I'm gonna make that bird, make that squirrel right there, get him something to go up top. Don't be sitting right there now. And I told you, don't be sitting there. Hurry up, bird, come on. Hurry up. Come on, woodpecker, come on, hurry up. Come on, fly down to the boat, come on. Get on the boat. Woodpecker's on the side of the thing. Get you something, get on up there now. Let that bird come on down there. Don't just sit down and hog the whole thing. You hear me? Don't be a hog. Hurry up, bird. All right, get you one. Get up the tree now. Get on up there. Get up the tree. Get up there. Let that bird have a chance. Come on, bird. Come on. All right, she's gonna try it again. Here comes that. Here comes another squirrel. Here comes a bird. I can't tell. Everything looks kind of black and white. It's hard to tell colors. I can see that's a female woodpecker and there's a female cardinal sitting in the tree right there. You got Hungry Jack down there on the thing. I told you now. I'm telling you. I've told you 2 or 3 times. You ain't listen to anything I said. What I want you to do now, I'm going to put this right down here. I want you to get one of these big ones right here now. Come on. Come on, bird. Come on. I can't keep running that squirrel off now. Come on. Here comes the woodpecker now. She ain't going to waste no time this time. Here she comes. She's not going to waste no time. She's coming to the ground. Hurry up. Come on, woodpecker. Hurry up. Here's the red cardinal there. There's the male. Hurry up. We got all the squirrels and everybody's coming. Oh, woodpecker she just ain't no hurry. Oh, there she goes. Bow-legged. Here comes the red cardinal, female woodpecker. They ain't paying each other any mind. Squirrel sitting on the boat right there looking down. Cardinal got something that flew off. Where did the male cardinal go to? I just seen a red cardinal, the male. Squirrel, what you doing down there? Y'all got me eyeballs running everywhere. Come on down there. I ain't gonna mess with you right now. You can sit down there and get that big one right there and get up there on the thing. Alright, I'm gonna go inside and Had a couple things to do inside. I got bit 3 times this morning by mosquitoes. 6:30 in the morning. It's about 7 o'clock now. Stop this video.